These people are not just endangering themselves, they're endangering everybody around them, and they have no right to do that.
An American lawyer who has backed religious freedoms, winning big cases for them at the Supreme Court, says when it comes to religious exemptions to COVID-19 vaccine mandates, well, that's a losing battle. Douglas Laycock successfully fought for a baker who refused to create a cake for a gay couple, and for a business that wouldn't cover emergency contraceptives for employees. But he says those claiming religious exemptions to COVID-19 vaccine mandates could easily be denied.
All constitutional rights are subject to potential exceptions or overrides by what the Supreme Court calls a compelling government interest. And endangering the physical safety of other people is sort of the classic compelling government interest. That one always counts.
The United States, like Canada, has had to refuse people health care, while unvaccinated COVID patients overwhelmed the system. Canada's laws also leave little room for the religious exemption argument.
I think it would be a very difficult case to make. Somebody would have initially have to come forward and say, I have a sincere spiritual belief that getting a vaccination is wrong or objectionable.
But leaders in the biggest religious institutions in North America have endorsed vaccines.
Most claims to religious exemption from vaccination have been phony.
He points to research published in the Hastings Law Journal that shows many people who claim religious exemptions are actually against vaccines for personal reasons. Despite this, many institutions and organizations are allowing employees to apply for a religious exemption, like the Calgary Catholic School Board. The City of Calgary's mandate also leaves the door open to religious exemption applications.
Sometimes people are just trying to avoid the burden of complaint and litigation.
In Calgary, Stephanie Lasuc, City News.